Hi, I'm David Langley, and over the past 3 years I've taught over 3,000 students across Leaving Cert and Junior Cycle Maths. At the Dublin Academy of Education, we've listened, we've learned, and we've poured all our experience into something truly special. The Maths Academy. If you want to boost your results, let me show you why the Maths Academy is Ireland's premier Junior Cycle Maths programme, delivering far more than a standard weekly grind. At the Maths Academy, you get an unrivaled 2 hours of teacher contact every week, spread across 2 exam-focused maths classes. First is a 60-minute in-person grind, followed by a 10-minute optional Q&A where you can ask questions and go through any problems that you're having issues with. And complementing those, we have our incredibly popular live workshops with me every Sunday. These are interactive, energizing, and truly student-led sessions, giving you the chance to dive deep into any areas that you find challenging. These workshops are weekly, online only, so they're accessible from anywhere. Our weekly grinds classes are focused, exam-driven, and they're tailored for junior cycle maths students. But the Maths Academy is so much more than just grinds classes. We provide a complete support system. Your investment gives you access to our Supervised Study Lounge in our state-of-the-art new campus in Blackrock. Throughout the year, we will also create 2 custom mock exams with detailed solutions so you know exactly what to expect on the day of your exam. Every lesson is exam focused and we will cover 100% of the junior cycle course so you're fully prepared for your exams. Join us at the Maths Academy where your ambition meets our expertise in a supportive exam focused environment. Let's chat. We are ready to help you achieve your best.